Hello all, welcome to Prashanti. This is Brinda. In today's new arrivals, we are going to see hand-woven Bengal mercerized cotton saris. Very classy and rich saris from Bengal. All the saris that I'm going to show you today are hand-woven saris in mercerized cotton with rich thread and zari woven patterns. Let's quickly get started. All the saris I'm going to show you today are mercerized cotton saris. Very lightweight, easy to carry and perfect formal wear. These saris carry a length of 6.2 meters, 5.5 for the sari and 70 centimeters for the blouse. I'm going to randomly pick and show you 20 saris from today's collection, but we have uploaded 800 plus saris only from today's video. You can log on to www.prashantisarees.in to take a look at the entire collection. You can also click on the link that is given in the description box, which will directly take you to the collections page. First one for today. It's a very pretty shade of pastel pink with magenta. Contrast korvai borders in magenta on either sides with geometric and floral buttas running all over the body. Contrast thread woven pallu, very intricately woven pallu, plain blouse in magenta, priced at 2,490. Green with magenta, one more beautiful sari with self-embossed floral weaves running all over the body, rich thread woven borders with contrast selvage in magenta. That's the pallu, thread woven pallu in magenta, a self-embossed contrast blouse, priced at 2,350. Black with red and blue ikat weaves, Ganga Jamuna borders on either sides with beautiful geometric ikat weaves running throughout the body. That's the pallu, bold ikat woven pallu and a running blouse in black and blue, priced at 3,490. Bottle green with red, one more classy sari with contrast plain borders in red on either sides. Small checked pattern in black and green running throughout the body. Simple contrast pallu in red, that's the pallu. A plain blouse in red, priced at 2,290. Grey and maroon, one more classic color combination with contrast borders and zari woven pattern on either sides. The body goes plain in grey, a simple pallu with lines, contrast plain blouse in maroon, priced at 1,950. Navy blue and red, traditional color combination with thread woven borders, contrast selvage, with small box buttas woven in thread running across the body, a rich thread woven pallu, that's the pallu, and a contrast plain blouse, priced at 2,450. Maroon and black, a stunning sari with contrast borders completely woven in thread and selvage in black. The body has got floral thread woven buttas running throughout the sari, a rich thread woven pallu, that's the pallu, contrast plain blouse in black, priced at 2,390. Black with green, another stunning sari with rich zari woven borders on either sides, small traditionally woven checked pattern running along the body, a simple pallu in green, that's the pallu, contrast plain blouse in green, priced at 1,950. Chiku with magenta, another stunning sari with long borders on either sides, beautiful ikat pattern and abstract pattern woven on both sides of the borders with temple thread weaving running on either sides. The middle portion of the sari goes plain in chiku, a thread woven contrast pallu, that's the pallu, plain magenta blouse, priced at 2,650. Maroon with black, another beautiful sari with contrast thread woven floral borders on either sides. The body goes plain in maroon, a simple black pallu, that's the pallu, a plain blouse in black, priced at 1,990. Honey color with blue, another pretty color combination with contrast borders and simple zari line on both sides of the sari. The body goes plain, a contrast simple pallu, lines along the pallu. This has got a plain blouse in navy blue, priced at 1,850. Green with magenta, another pretty sari with temple thread weaving on both sides of the borders. The body goes plain in sap green, a contrast plain pallu in magenta, that's the pallu, a plain blouse in magenta, priced at 2,060. Grey and magenta, another stunning sari with contrast ikat woven borders on either sides. This has got temple weaving in ikat style on both sides of the sari, with the middle portion going plain in grey, contrast ikat woven pallu, that's the pallu, and an ikat pattern blouse, priced at 3,490. Dual shade of pink with dark pink combination. Contrast Rani pink borders on either sides with simple zari on both sides of the sari. The body goes plain in double color pink. Simple contrast pallu, that's the pallu, and a contrast pink blouse, priced at 1,850. Bottle green and yellow with retapet borders and temple weaving on both sides of the sari. The middle portion of the sari goes plain in bottle green, simple lines in the pallu, contrast plain blouse in yellow, priced at 2,290. Grey and elaichi green, a very unique and beautiful color combination with temple buttas woven on both sides of the borders. The body goes plain in grey, plain contrast pallu in elaichi green, a contrast blouse in green, priced at 2,060. Mauve and blue with contrast selvage in violet on either sides. Thread woven floral pattern in the border with the body having floral thread buttas. A rich contrast thread woven pallu, that's the pallu, violet blouse, priced at 2,390. Golden yellow with violet, a very classy sari with contrast violet borders and floral thread woven paisleys on both sides of the sari. The body goes plain in golden yellow, a simple contrast pallu in violet, that's the pallu, a plain blouse in violet, priced at 1,890. Beige and magenta, another classy sari, the last one for today. Rich contrast zari woven borders on either sides with small checked pattern running throughout the body. Simple plain pallu in magenta, that's the pallu, plain blouse in magenta, priced at 1,950. All these saris are available in our website. To buy these saris, you can log on to www.prashantisarees.in. Alternatively, you can download our app that's available in both iOS and Android. Thank you for watching this video. Have an enriching shopping experience at Prashant.